Ethereum's stablecoin dominance grows with $5 billion weekly inflow. Supply hits $165 billion record. Ethereum, stablecoin. Ethereum's stablecoin dominance grows with $5 billion weekly inflow pushing supply to $165 billion record, despite 44% revenue decline as network evolves into DeFi infrastructure. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 2 hours ago. Ethereum's stablecoin supply reached a record $165 billion after adding approximately $5 billion in new tokens over the past week, despite declining network revenues. Token terminal data shows Ethereum added roughly $1 billion in stablecoins per weekday, while DeFiLlama shows $153.4 billion in total market capitalization with USDT commanding 48.97% dominance. The growth occurs as centralized exchange stablecoin reserves hit $68 billion globally. Revenue decline amid stablecoin growth. Ethereum's on-chain revenue dropped 44% month-over-month to $14.1 million in August, down from $25.6 million in July, despite ETH reaching record highs of $4,957. Network fees fell 20% to $39.7 million as the Denkin upgrade reduced Layer 2 transaction costs. The upgrade enhanced scalability but significantly reduced Layer 1 fee revenue. Critics warn that low-fee revenue undermines platform viability, while supporters argue that Ethereum is evolving into a decentralized finance infrastructure. Institutional attention continues growing despite revenue concerns. Etherealize raised $40 million in September to promote Ethereum adoption among public companies, building infrastructure for private trading and settlement of tokenized assets, including bonds and fixed income products. Co-founder Joseph Lubin predicts ETH could rally 100x as Wall Street shifts toward decentralized finance. He believes Ethereum will replace siloed institutional systems and become the backbone for financial services, staking, and smart contract execution. Fundstrat's Tom Lee targets $5,500 near-term with ambitious $12,000 year-end projection. Lee disclosed that institutional sentiment shifted dramatically following the Genius Act's passage, recognizing Ethereum as foundational blockchain infrastructure supporting over $145 billion in stablecoin supply. Stablecoin market explosion drives infrastructure demand. Global stablecoin transaction volume reached a record $2.5 trillion according to Bridge platform data. Chainalysis reports show USDT processed over $1 trillion monthly between June 2024 and June 2025. Peaking at $1.14 trillion in January. USDC ranged from $1.24 to $3.29 trillion monthly, with particularly high October activity. Smaller stablecoins experienced rapid expansion with EURC growing 89% month-over-month on average, rising from $47 million to $7.5 billion by June 2025. PYUSD sustained acceleration from $783 million to $3.95 billion during the same period. The growth indicates shifting usage patterns with USDC linking to U.S. institutional rails while USDT dominates emerging markets as digital cash. As a result, Tether is exploring deeper gold exposure by investing across mining, refining, trading, and royalty finance ventures. The company holds $8.7 billion in gold reserves while considering physical investments on larger scales beyond its $900 million XAU token. CEO Paulo Ardoino calls gold our source of nature, with Tether acquiring $105 million in Elemental Altus, followed by an additional $100 million investment. Exchange consolidation and infrastructure competition. Binance dominates stablecoin reserves with $44.2 billion. Representing 67% of all USDT and USDC holdings across exchanges. The total includes $37.1 billion USDT and $7.1 billion USDC, which notably marks USDC's resurgence on the platform. OKX maintains $9.0 billion reserves with a 14% market share, while Bybit holds $4.2 billion and Coinbase $2.6 billion. Competing exchanges experience stagnant growth as users consolidate activity on larger platforms. The recent 30-day expansion favored Binance with $2.2 billion increase, and OKX added $800 million. Bybit and Coinbase reserves remained flat. Amid the booming stablecoin adoption, Stripe launched Tempo blockchain last week, targeting 100,000+ transactions per second with sub-second finality. The payments-focused Layer 1 features fiat-denominated fees and supports any stablecoin for gas payments through enshrined automated market makers. Design partners include Visa, Deutsche Bank, Standard Chartered, Anthropic, OpenAI, DoorDash, and Shopify. The diverse coalition ensures broad payment use case coverage from microtransactions to enterprise payroll systems. The blockchain completes Stripe's crypto infrastructure following Bridge's $1.1 billion acquisition and privy purchase. Tempo enables direct transaction processing revenue capture rather than external network fee payments while leveraging extensive merchant networks. As the stablecoin market is growing fast, Treasury projections suggest stablecoin markets could exceed $2 trillion by 2028. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Ethereum and Picoin by the end of 2025. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Pepe by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. $700 million whale transfer shocks community. Is Wall Street quietly buying? Crypto price prediction today, September 5th. XRP, Cardano, Shiba Inu. XRP price prediction. Why an ETF could spark a Bitcoin-like 60% jump. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Kiyosaki warns of a Great Depression. Will BTC's scarcity drive value? 1 day ago. By Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Cardano price prediction. Everyone's given up on ADA, which is exactly why it might be about to explode. 2 days ago. By Anas Hassan. Price analysis. Ethereum price prediction. Institutional demand and whale accumulation signal a bullish reversal. 2 days ago. By Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 4 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 3 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. 11 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. 14 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 6 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.